When it comes to managing diabetes, diet is undeniably one of the most critical elements to consider. Among various dietary choices, one particularly interesting superfood that has been gaining attention is broccoli sprouts. These young, tender shoots of the broccoli plant are not just your regular greens, they are packed with nutrients and specific compounds that can significantly benefit individuals with diabetes. Let's embark on an insightful journey into the world of broccoli sprouts, examining their role in diabetes management, backed by scientific studies, and addressing common questions such as their safety, daily consumption, and effects on blood sugar levels. But before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. Broccoli sprouts are essentially the young plants of the broccoli vegetable, harvested just a few days after the seeds have started to germinate. They are known for their high concentration of sulforaphane, a compound that has drawn substantial scientific interest for its health benefits, especially regarding chronic diseases like diabetes. Sulforaphane's ability to impact various factors crucial for diabetes management, such as blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity, makes broccoli sprouts a food of great interest in diabetes research. Let's address a common question. Are raw broccoli sprouts safe? Generally, raw broccoli sprouts are safe to consume, but like all raw foods, they must be handled and prepared correctly to minimize the risk of foodborne illness. It is essential to purchase fresh, high-quality broccoli sprouts from reputable sources and wash them thoroughly before consumption. For individuals with compromised immune systems or those who are particularly susceptible to foodborne illnesses, such as pregnant women or the elderly, it might be advisable to cook the sprouts lightly to reduce any potential risk. Can a diabetic eat broccoli sprouts every day? Incorporating broccoli sprouts into a daily diet can be a healthy addition for diabetics, owing to their nutrient profile and health benefits. However, it's important to remember that a balanced diet is key in diabetes management. This means that, while broccoli sprouts can be included regularly, they should be part of a diet that includes a variety of other nutrient-rich foods. Eating a diverse range of foods ensures a more comprehensive intake of essential nutrients and helps in overall blood sugar control. One of the most significant aspects of broccoli sprouts for diabetics is their potential impact on blood sugar levels. Do broccoli sprouts lower blood sugar? Research indicates that they might. A study published in the Journal of Science Translational Medicine explored the effects of sulforaphane, the compound richly found in broccoli sprouts, on blood sugar levels. The study found that sulforaphane could reduce glucose levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes, indicating that broccoli sprouts could help manage blood sugar levels. The mechanism through which broccoli sprouts aid in blood sugar control is primarily linked to sulforaphane's ability to improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin resistance is a major challenge in type 2 diabetes, where the body's cells become less responsive to insulin, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. Sulforaphane enhances the body's responsiveness to insulin, thereby helping in the regulation of blood sugar. Besides blood sugar control, broccoli sprouts offer additional benefits for diabetes management. Oxidative stress and inflammation are significant contributors to the development and progression of diabetes and its complications. Sulforaphane has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Research published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition has shown that antioxidants are integral in reducing oxidative stress linked to chronic conditions like diabetes. The anti-inflammatory properties of sulforaphane can be particularly advantageous for people with diabetes. Chronic inflammation is known to exacerbate insulin resistance and can impair pancreatic beta cells, responsible for insulin production. By reducing inflammation, foods like broccoli sprouts can help protect these cells and improve overall insulin function. Cardiovascular health is another area where broccoli sprouts can be beneficial for diabetics. Individuals with diabetes are at an increased risk of heart diseases, and sulforaphane has been found to have cardioprotective effects. It assists in reducing risk factors, such as high cholesterol and triglyceride levels. A study in the American Journal of Hypertension demonstrated that sulforaphane could improve vascular health, crucial for individuals with diabetes who are at an increased risk for cardiovascular issues. Incorporating broccoli sprouts into a diabetic diet can be both simple and enjoyable. Their mild, slightly peppery flavor makes them a versatile addition to various dishes. They can be sprinkled over salads, blended into smoothies, or used as a garnish on different dishes. Consuming broccoli sprouts raw or lightly steamed is the best way to preserve their sulforaphane content, as cooking can reduce the availability of this beneficial compound. While broccoli sprouts are highly beneficial, it's important to remember that they are not a cure-all solution for diabetes management. They should be part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutritious foods. Effective diabetes management also involves regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, and adhering to any prescribed medication. Portion control is crucial when incorporating broccoli sprouts into a diabetic diet. While they are low in calories and carbohydrates, moderation is key to ensure a well-balanced diet. Regularly monitoring blood sugar levels is essential, particularly when introducing new foods like broccoli sprouts, to understand how they affect individual diabetes management strategies. In conclusion, broccoli sprouts can be a valuable addition to a diabetes management plan. Their rich sulforaphane content can aid in improving blood sugar control, enhancing insulin sensitivity, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, and supporting cardiovascular health. However, they should complement a comprehensive approach to diabetes management, which includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and medical supervision. As with any dietary changes, consulting with a healthcare provider is advisable to ensure suitability for individual needs. Broccoli sprouts offer a simple yet effective way to enhance nutritional intake, supporting your diabetes management journey.